Mob. I am back with another video, and today I am going to be securing my wig with Gots2B glue spray, free spray, and Gots2B glue spiking gel. I got the small one because I was on a budget, so I got this for $1.99 from my local beauty supply store. Some braids, some gel braids. Don't talk about my braids, okay? Period. I got my blow dryer here. So first, I'm gonna take my Gots2B glue spiking gel, and we're just gonna put a layer. Don't talk about how I'm doing it. I'm just trying it. This is my first time doing it for YouTube. I'm putting it on my edges and right there on my hairline, and I'm gonna put it on my part so that the closure, it's a closure wig, so that the closure can stick. Alright, now I'm gonna turn on my blow dry on low, and then my cool, do low cool. Part again. I'm just gonna do like 2 layers of each. That's it. So that the wig can be secure. Okay, we're gonna try to put it on high cool. Boom. Here we go. Okay, so now we're gonna slide it back to where it needs to be. Boom. And I'm gonna press the closure down with my edge control brush. Brush it out with my edge control brush. Press that down. Especially that part. We're gonna move the hair over, and you see that? We're going to apply pressure so that that closure can stick. Okay? Be careful not to get the hair stuck, because I am going to do some little baby hairs with that closure. So now, yes, well, it's a little something in there, but this is gonna be a short video. But I'm gonna put my heat on low and blow dry. And now we're gonna stick our baby hairs down. I mean, with wigs, your edges kind of have a break, but at the same time, it's like they don't. Okay, so I'm gonna take my wig brush and brush my wig. And good. This baby hair looks like So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Does this blast and freeze spray work? Y'all, it's really there. Ugh. Does this blast and freeze spray work? Yeah, it works. Does this spiky gel work? Yes, it works. So no, I'm not a professional, so don't bash me in the comments talking about what I did wrong. I just showed y'all how I'm going to start securing my wigs down. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Just know when you hit that notification bell, the notification mob is the best mob in the nation. I just want y'all to know that. Y'all the best mob in the nation. And yes, this wig is made by... And this hair is from your Lisa. That's that hair that I had. And I was doing the reviews on. I have dyed it. You see the highlights and stuff. And I plucked the closure. Oh, my closure came up a little bit. So y'all gonna have to secure it, okay? I plucked that closure. I plucked this out of the... So like I said, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And become a part of the J Mob, because the best mob in the nation is the J Mob Squad. I'm coming back with more videos in 2019. I'm coming harder. Period. Bye.